it's me again. This is Ben Loria official channel you're watching. But before I'm gonna show my video to you, I'd like to remind you, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it after you watch my video, okay? Do you believe that family that share their food together, they will become full together after they're done eating, right? So watch this video. It's a simple video, but there's a lesson behind. You're gonna learn this. All the humans showing this kind of attitude, there will be no fighting all over the world. Check this video. It's a very simple video, but you're gonna learn something. Sharing is caring. So here you go. Here's the video. I am just sitting right here in the bench, and these small little birds caught my attention. We are in a mall, and it so happened I saw these small birds with a small bread. They're eating while the people is passing by. A little bit of bite and then run away. And sometimes people just stepping on it. But you're gonna learn a lesson from this. A simple bread, it is being shared by multiple birds. Although they're trying to take a bite from each other, but as you can see, it is being shared to all of them. If this is the situation of all the people in the world, we don't have issue at all. People will live happily in their normal life. I'd like to have this kind of situation where there's no war, everybody have peace in their life. But the reality these days, I don't know. No one can tell. But I'd like to live like a bird. I am free. I can get a small food for a day and look for food the next day. As these birds keep fighting to get a bite on this bread, I am just keep staring at them. I don't know, maybe I am bored, but I like really how they split up this bread. I just keep staring at it, and I'm just waiting for all my friends, waiting for them to finish their shopping, and I don't have nothing to do, so I end up taking this video. And at the end, somebody or one of the birds took the bread and fly with it. Probably they're still gonna share, but anyway, life is wonderful. Sharing in caring, that's all it matters. My friends, have a wonderful day to all of you. Spread love, and see you again next time on my blog. The remaining birds, maybe he can eat this bread, but let's check it out. Before I'll end this video, I'd like to shout out to whoever gave this hat. You're the best. I love you, man. Love you. I'm gonna miss you. See you again next time. That's all for my video today. And thank you very much for watching, my friends. Again, just a reminder, if you're done, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a happy life and have a good one. Thank you very much. Domo arigatou gozaimasu.